Hi, I'm Martin with HydroLock Systems. In this segment, we're going to take you through the cleaning program to ensure your system stays clog-free and lasts as long as possible. We prefer two products by BioSafe Systems. They're Green Clean Acid Cleaner and Sanidate 5.0, which you can find at any hydroponic store near you. So let's get started cleaning the system. The first step in the cleaning program is to add the Green Clean Acid Cleaner at a ratio of 1 to 100 to your reservoir. Now we're going to go to the end of the system and tell you what to do next. Now that we've let our green cleaner sit in the main line for several hours, we're going to open up our flush valve and allow it to drain completely. We do not want any of this solution or the biofilm that it has broken down to go through the manifolds in part 2 of the cleaning. Once it's drained, we're going to shut our ball valve and open all of our manifold bowl valves and get ready for part 2. After we've flushed all the green clean out of the system, now we're going to add Sanidate at a ratio of 1 to 100 as well. Unlike the green cleaner, we can run this through the entire system, including the emitters. So we're going to turn the system on and let it run for a couple of minutes and then shut it down and hold it for several hours.